Yeah. Okay, guys. Good evening, all of you. Is everyone can view my screen now?
Yes, sir. Very good evening, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. So let us start the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Let us start. And what is today's date?
Today is 23rd, sir.
So in the last session, we were discussed about versions of Salesforce, editions of Salesforce, and environments of Salesforce. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now I'm going to discuss about MVC architecture. Before I'm going to start configuration, let me start with MVC architecture. What does MVC stands for? Model view
Controller.
So it's a three-tier architecture, guys. MVC means it's three-tier architecture. M stands for model, views, V stands for view. We have C stands for what? Controller. A three-tier architecture. Is first one view, the middle one controller. Someone need to mute, please. Don't make noise. Dharmendra. Dharmendra. Vivek, are you there in the class?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah. View, controller, and model. We have three layers here. View layer can be called as presentation layer. A controller can be called as business logic layer. The model is database layer. Like that, we have three layers. Okay, view, controller, and model. Actually, a model view controller is a common phenomena. Almost every technology supports this model, not only Salesforce. If you take Java, it follows MVC. If you take .NET, that is also follows MVC. If you take Python, that is also follows MVC. Like that, almost every technology follows MVC architecture. For your better understanding what is MVC means, with my example, so that you clearly understand what is exact meaning of model view, MVC model, and model view controller. I'm going to compare MVC model with something like a Gmail application. Email application, I'm going to compare with what? MVC architecture. For your understanding, I'm talking here, okay? So Gmail application, I'm comparing with MVC here. So if you open the Gmail application, in Gmail application, we have something like inbox. Tell me, guys, what inbox contains? Inbox contains all of our mails.
All mails.
All of our mails are available in their inbox. Suppose one of my friends sent a mail to me. Okay, that mail contains near about it's a Word document actually. It contains maybe 10 pages of documents, 10 pages of document. I open the document And I'm going to the first page here. So I'm reading the first page content. Whatever content I'm reading the first page, whatever content I'm reading the first page at this particular point of time, whatever I'm seeing on my screen, that is my view. That is my view. View means whatever you have seen, that is my view. Okay, after reading the first content or first page content, I have to go to the second page. If I want to go to the second page, I have to click on scroll down button. If we click on scroll down button, we can move from, or I can move from one page to another page. Like this, if you want to go up, we have to click on scroll up. Or if you want to move to next mail, you have to click on next. If you want to go to previous mail, click on previous button. Like that, scroll down button, scroll up button, next button, preview button. These are on the buttons. I can treat them as my controllers of my page. Understand all of you? Controllers of my page. So these are the buttons. I treated them as controllers of my page. Whatever content I'm seeing right now, whatever content I have seen right now, okay, that is my view. And whatever content I have in inbox, all of my mails. Okay. So this is my, what is this? What is this, guys? Database. Now all of you understand the comparison between the MVC and Gmail application now. Your inbox applications, sorry, your inbox emails, I treated them as what? Your database. And whatever content you have seen right now, that is my view. Okay, you will scroll down, scroll up, next button, previous buttons, these are all controllers of my page. All of you. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, am I audible? Respond immediately.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
You understand the comparison between MVC and Gmail application now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any doubts regarding the comparison?
No, sir.
Doubts? Okay.
no, sir.
Now, with respect to Salesforce, I'm talking about MVC model. So here, end user always sits in front of the view. End user always sits in front of the view. And through view, end user is going to feed the data. Whatever data is feeding through view means your user interface. UI stands for user interface. Through view, end user is going to feed the data. Whatever data he fed through view, that data goes into controller. And this controller in turn connect with something like what? Model. So model means your database, backend. So that is how end user is going to feed the data to view. This view connecting with what? Controller, and controller in turn connect with model. After that, end user sometimes is going to fetch the data from the database or fetch the data from the model. Whatever data is fetching from the model, this data coming from model, and it goes to controller, and then controller in turn connect with what? View. On this view, end user is going to see the output. So this is how data will flow. This is how data will flow from view to controller and controller to model. In the same way, from model to controller and controller to view. I hope you understand. The bidirectional operator towards left side and towards right side also. Clear all of you. So with respect to MVC, what we are going to discuss in model and what we are going to discuss are whatever content we have in the controller and what we have in the view, everything we are going to discuss right now. So part is what? Model part. In this model part, again, there are two segments here, two compartments, I can say. In the first segment, name is called a schema or schema part or schema segment here. The second segment name is called instance part here. In the schema part, in the schema segment, okay, we have apps, we have something like subjects, we have tabs, we have something like fields, relationships. We have 6 types of relationships given by Salesforce. That is a self relationship. Second one, lookup relationship. Third one, master detail relationship. Fourth one, many to many relationship. Fifth one, roll-up summary. Last but not least, that is hierarchical relationship. These are the 6 types of relationships given by Salesforce. Thereafter, we have something like validation rules. And also we have something like page layouts, record types. These are all comes under schema part. All these topics we will discuss in configuration part, guys. All these topics we will discuss in where? Configuration. The configuration is the first module in syllabus. Out of how many modules? 6 modules. Sir, no. Because I told you many number of times in the entire 3 months of session, 3 months of course, we will cover total 6 modules. Out of 6 modules, the first module what we are going to discuss is
Configuration.
configuration. All these topics, apps, test objects, tabs, fields, everything we will cover in where? Configuration part.
Configuration part.
Yeah, instance part completely related to data and records. Okay. So this is also comes under what? Configuration. Okay. So the model part we covered in where? Configuration. The second part, the most important part, that is what? The middle one, the business layer, a business logic layer, I can say. That is controller part. So in the controller part, we people are going to use Apex programming language. Programming language just like C language, Java, C++, object-oriented programming language, which is given by Salesforce. In this Apex programming, in this development part or controller part, we will discuss about something like oops concept. Then after, we have something like exception handling. And also we will discuss about assertions, annotations, database concepts, that is SOQL and SOSL. Is anyone know about SQL? Or I heard the name called SQL here? Anyone of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
SQL stands for structured query language. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, using this language, we can communicate with the database. We can communicate with the database. So instead of using SQL, we people are using SOQL. What is SOQL? SOQL stands for Salesforce Object Query Language. SOSL stands for Salesforce Object Search Language. So these two are comes under what? Controller. So database concepts. And also we will discuss about the DML commands like insert command. We have something like update command, delete command, insert command, delete command. All this comes under DML. after that, we will discuss about something like collections topic. In this collections, we have it. And what next here? Map. Clear all of you? So, and then after
Yes,
we
sir.
will discuss about controllers. Sales was given 6 types of controllers, out of which the first one is called standard controller, standard list controller, custom list controller, standard set controller, extension controller. And after that, we will discuss about interfaces, Visual Apex, last and final one is what? Triggers. And these are the topics we will cover in where? Apex programming. It is one of the biggest topic in your syllabus, guys. Only this content, it takes near about 40 to 45 working days. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the area we have to concentrate more if you want to go for development side. Okay. Third one is called view part. In this view part, we are going to use some markup language. Do you know about any markup language like HTML? Or I heard
Yes,
the
sir.
name?
Yes, sir.
HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Just like HTML, we people are going to use, what is this? Speak out. Visual Force.
Visual Force.
Visual Force is a
Yes.
markup language just like HTML. It is given by Salesforce. Using this markup language, we can develop UI. UI stands for user interfaces. Clear? So that we will cover in view. Okay. So this also comes under development only. Markup language, Visual Force, and these are the topics. Everything comes under what? Development part. So it is all about MVC, guys. After completion of configuration, after completion of development, then we people are going to enter into administration. Okay. Yesterday I told you the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in the company. Remember all of you?
Yes, sir.
So many topics we cover in where from creating the user account to last topic. What is this? Business intelligence and report dashboards. Clear all of you? Good.
Yes.
Yeah. And then after completion of admin topic, then we will enter into another module called CRM, Customer Relationship Management. And finally, we will discuss about like Aura component. So these are the topics we are going to cover in the entire 6 modules. Hope you understand all these points.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
no?
Sir, in view
Yes,
part,
sir.
Sir.
Yeah.
hello,
Yeah.
sir, in view part, we use a markup language as a ISML.
Markup language, what?
Markup language as a ISML.
I didn't get you what your accent. Yes.
ISML.
What is the meaning of the ISML?
What is ISML?
ISML is used.
What does ISML stands for?
I think it's HTML.
Let him speak. Let him. What does ISML stands for?
Internet something is internet markup language, something like that. I don't know exactly.
I never heard this about this language. This is the first time I'm hearing this name. What does ISML stands for? Let me check in the Google. Template command HTML is the proprietary language called Core
Internet Space Store markup language. Yeah.
markup language. No, we are not using XML here. We are using Visualforce only.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So what are the topics you will be covering on Aura component, Lightning Aura component?
Lightning Aura component namespaces and all, UI namespaces, Lightning Aura namespaces. Okay, JavaScript topics. Okay, JSON code. JSON stands for JavaScript object notation. Everything we will cover in what? Lightning Aura components.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
This course duration is 45 days or 3 months, 90 days?
3 months, 90 days.
Okay, sir.
Because we are going to cover how many modules here.
6 modules.
That is why it's very vast syllabus. Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
integration is not covered, sir.
Yeah, integration is also covered here. After completion of triggers, we will discuss about what.
We will get certification also, na? Salesforce certification.
So certification you can write on your own by paying the fees. You can
Okay.
book the slot. You can write the exam on your own. It's an online exam which is conducted by Salesforce company. The examination cost is around $2,000, $200. Sorry,
$2,000.
$200,
$200.
$200.
Okay, done. Sure.
Approximately 15,000 rupees.
1,000, yes.
So, sir, these
Yes.
certifications we can do. Can you just name that?
Yeah. Regarding certifications here, in admin side, we have 2 exams. How many?
2 exams, sir.
2 exams. Okay. So core admin and advanced admin, 2 exams. Then after development, in 2 exams. That is PD1 and PD2. PD1 stands for Platform Developer 1. PD2 stands for Platform Developer 2. So these are the 2 exams you have to write. After completion of PD1 only, you can write PD2. All these examination cost, as per my knowledge, it is $200.
Okay. Or sir, is there any course expiring date also? We will get this certification only for the 2 years or 3 years as a just like a CCNA.
Yeah, just like you have to upgrade, you have to maintain the certification. To some extent only it will valid.
Okay. Or sir, I'm an
No,
undergraduate.
actually the point is the people who are staying in other countries like US, Canada, Australia and all, for those people, generally they are writing what these certification exams.
Okay.
Because when they go to the interviews, they will asking certifications. If you have the certification, if you succeed the exam, they will give more preference than other people.
Okay.
But if you want to do the job in India, certification is not that much important.
Okay. Sir, just like I am 12th pass, so it will work for me, na?
Why not?
Okay, just because I have seen many pupils in LinkedIn, they have uploaded the Salesforce certification. That's why I'm asking this question.
Yeah, that is out of interest, man. What's your name? It's out of interest.
My name is Rahul, sir.
Rahul, it's out of interest. If you want, you can write the exam. Nobody object to you.
Okay.
Understand? If you have the certification when you go to the interview, align the certification, they will give you more importance than other people. That's what
Sure.
I'm saying. Is my
Thank
point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, myself Subhashish.
Yeah, Shubhashish.
In the section admin section that you have mentioned that 2 exams are there.
Yeah.
Okay, is this separate from development and suppose
That is different. Development is different. Admin exam is different.
And admin exam to take a certification examination for admin, we have to go part 1, part 2 of admin also.
Obviously, core admin and advanced admin. Core admin certification and advanced admin certification.
Okay.
Like development also 2 exams. PD1, PD2.
Like OCP and these things.
Maybe OCP means Oracle Certified Professional. This kind of things. Yeah. PD1 and PD2.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Can you discuss, sir, about job salary experience picture in India job?
Sir, I have few queries. So can I ask?
Yeah. What I'm requesting all of you is this kind of any doubts are there with you, please message me. Anyway, everybody have my number.
Okay.
Understand?
So, sir, after this class, can we call to you?
Don't call me generally. I don't do the phones. Please message me.
Okay. Okay. So, like, we can message here only, correct?
You can message through WhatsApp.
Okay, but sir, we don't have your number, sir. So that's
I will
why,
share the
like,
number. I will share the number. Don't bother. Okay? At the end of the class.
Sure.
Okay, sure.
Sure. Actually, sir, like there is a major query. So can I ask? Only one queries I have.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, actually, I am very new, in technical way. So previously I was working in for non-technical way. Okay, so one of my friends suggested to me for Salesforce course. Okay, so this is the reason only, like, I'm attending your classes. So, like, is it benefit if I will complete my all the classes of Salesforce?
Yeah, why not, man? If we definitely, even if you're coming from different background, non-IT background, you do not have any skills on software before, no problem. See, guys, I will tell you one important point. 7 years ago, I was into Salesforce. Understand?
Okay.
I was entering to
Okay.
Salesforce 7 years ago, and I think one of my students, his name is Mr. Sriram. Still, I remember his name. So he's having 45 plus years age. How much?
45 plus.
45 plus years age, and he is working as a sales department in one of the company. Understand?
Okay.
Maybe somehow he fed up with the job because of age factor and all, whatever it is. Okay, there are some reasons behind that. So that is why one of his friends suggesting him to learn what? Salesforce. And one fine morning he met me personally. Sir, my name is Sriram. My age is so and so. I'm working as a I'm working in sales department last 20 plus years. Okay. But I want to shift my career into Salesforce side, software side. I don't know even the definition of computer also. Can I understand Salesforce or not? Like that he asked me. Understand? So, and he joined my course Salesforce almost 3.5 months completed. And after completion of this 3 months course, almost he practiced more than 4 months, 5 months approximately. He attended almost 20 plus interviews. How many?
20 plus interviews.
20 plus.
Almost 10-15 interviews he failed. Believe it or not. After 20 plus interviews, he got the job in Salesforce as a developer. Now he is working as a developer in one of the MNC company, very popular MNC company in Hyderabad.
Or sir, we get directly job, or we need to done some internship in Salesforce?
So internship is not required. Actually, with this particular knowledge, you can put minimum 3 years experience.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Myself, Subhashish.
Subhashish, tell me.
You had another student name. I am 50 plus.
Oh. Tell me, Subhashish. Age is not factor, Subhashish.
I have already discussed with you. I am working as a system analyst in Birla Institute of Technology.
Great. Yeah, I spoke with you on the first day itself.
Yes. So I'm also very interested for this thing.
Oh, how do you feel about my sessions last 3 days?
Very good, sir.
Awesome, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks for the feedback.
Sir, can you
one more, Subhashish, let me talk with Subhashish.
Yes,
and Subhashish, forget about your age factor and all. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Please throw away this point from your mind. Okay? So,
sir, still, if I alive till 90 years, I will go through for software. So not to worry about that, sir.
Oh, okay.
Sir, actually, whatever the topics you have covered, from yesterday, so will you repeat those topics again or not?
The
Hello?
you can watch the video on YouTube
So we
channel.
yesterday topic once again, you want me to repeat or what? Why yesterday absent? Hello? Did you absent yesterday?
No, sir. The participant can visit watch the video which is already uploaded in YouTube channel, in your YouTube channel.
Oh, great. Then you can listen the recordings in YouTube.
Sir, I have
Okay, so that is the question which I was asking.
Okay, thank you.
This side Subhashish.
Subhashish, go ahead.
I have only one small doubt. Sir, see, I am very convenient with Oracle database administration.
Oh, great.
And my area is like Oracle and admin part.
Oh,
Because
database administrator, huh?
Every time from morning 9 to 5 o'clock, there is only the work I have is to administration Linux server and admin.
Okay, great.
Okay, so I am whether it is should I concentrate with this admin part or development part?
Concentrate the both admin side and as well as development side. Understand?
Okay.
Okay. And you feel administration is more comfortable. Why? Because you're already working as administrator in database administration. Understand? Okay. The difficult part.
Hello, sir. I have a small question, sir.
Are Baba, let me complete this point.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Subhashish.
sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Maybe the only part where you are facing difficulty is development only. Development also, you don't need to bother. I will make you understand the subject.
No, I have done something with VB Visual Basic also, and from developer also, like developer 2000.
Then okay, you have the knowledge in Visual Basic, then no problem. Even though if you do not have any programming skills, no problem. Because I'm going to start this class from scratch.
Some part of Python also I have done.
Then that is very good. That's what I'm saying. Even though if you have zero knowledge, you can understand. I'll make you understand programming.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Because my class starting from very scratch level. What is variable? What is language? What is program? What is statement? What is instruction? What is syntax? Okay. Even a layman also can understand my sessions. No problem. Don't worry about the programming side. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
First of all, let me start the class, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you have any interviews, you can talk with me. Text my issue. Let us start the session.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So before we all dive into Salesforce environment, you should know about 6 important keywords or buzzwords or vocabulary. That is app, what is tab, what is a subject, fields, data, and what record. Okay. So let me start with what is an app here. App means application. So tell me, any one of you, what do you mean? What do you think about application? Because application is a word, app is a word we are using regularly in our daily life. Once you open your mobile, you can see a lot of apps. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. As per your knowledge, what is the meaning of an app?
It is useful to do something, some work.
Very good. Very good. Shubhashish from Bits Pilani. What is the meaning of an app? Vivek? Or any one of you in the classroom? Please tell me what is
as per my understanding, app is a utility that we are using to simplify our task, but we can't touch it physically, but we can feel it.
Very good. So I will tell you for a better understanding what you said. That is 100% correct, man. No problem. So I will tell you what is the meaning of an application. We have so many apps like Book My Show, and we have something like Byju's,
ATM.
We have some Paytm, and we have Swiggy, Panda, Zomato, okay, Ghana.com. Like that, we have so many apps. Once you open your mobile, we can see a lot of apps. Let me suppose take the example Book My Show application. Using this application, we can book the tickets through online. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, suppose I want to go to a movie. Let us take a small example. Which movie recently released?
Shyam Singh Rai.
Okay, Shyam Singh Rai. Shyam Singh Rai. Okay, I don't know. Okay, Shyam Singh Rai's movie is there. I want to go to this movie. So, if I open Book My Show application, if I open Book My Show application, if I open my Book My Show application, I can see all the list of cities. Yes or no? Speak out.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
And also it will show all the list of theaters.
Theater. Yeah.
Sure, sir.
From your location site.
Okay, yeah. And
Sure.
okay, suppose I want to see the movie in maybe what do you call me? In IMAX theater in Hyderabad. Okay. So I just open IMAX theater. It show all the what do you call list of
Sure.
movies.
List of films.
List of movies. Okay, which is playing in that mall. And after that, list of timings, movie timings. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And also
Available seats.
we can see seats availability.
Seats available.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Also, we can book that some food.
Cost.
What kind of food is available? Understand? Because while I'm watching the movie, I want to eat some food. So that I can order the food through online also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any popcorn, ice cream, or soft drink, whatever it is. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? So all these things, information I can see once you open what? Book My Show application. So showing the information regarding cities. That is, I can treat it as service number 1. Showing the information regarding theaters. Service number 2. Showing the information about movies. Service number 3. Showing the information regarding what? What timing? Service number 4. Seats availability. Service number 5.
5.
Yeah. Regarding food availability. That is what?
Service
number 6. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It means that collection of these services are included in where? Book My Show application. According to this example, what I understand is application means group of, or what is this? Collection of services is known as what?
Application.
Is known as application. Is all of you understand the meaning of application now?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, sir.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. So, but with respect to Salesforce, we can call it as collection of apps. What is this? Collection of apps which provides some, what is this? Functionality. This is the definition with respect to Salesforce. This is the definition. This is a generic definition about what? Application.
Application.
The generic definition for application. What is generic definition here? Group of or collection of services is known as what? Application. So with respect to the Salesforce, collection of tabs which provide some functionality. That is with respect to Salesforce. And in Salesforce, I will tell you what is the meaning of a tab a bit later. Okay, please wait all of you. In Salesforce, we have 2 types of applications. The first type of application can be called as standard app. Second one can be called as custom apps. Standard apps means which is given by Salesforce. Custom app means which is created or developed by whom? Developer as per the client's requirement. Like that, in Salesforce, we have 2 types of applications: standard applications and custom applications. Standard applications given by Salesforce, and custom applications created by developer as per the client's requirement. I hope all of you understand this.
Yes, sir.
Let me give some examples about standard applications in Salesforce. Like we have something like sales application, so marketing application, we have service application, we have something like content application. So these are all the examples of what standard apps. Custom apps means it is created by developer as per the client requirement. Suppose take the example DURGASOFT Private Limited.
Training.
DURGASOFT Private Limited. Okay. Or maybe something like okay, ABC company. You can give any name. Clear all of you? Because which is created by whom here? Developer as per the business requirement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like that in Salesforce, how many types of apps we have? Two, standard apps and custom apps. And coming to the second one, tab. What is the meaning of tab here? Well, in the keyboard I'm talking, do we have tab button?
Yes, sir.
If you press tab button, what is happening? See?
Our cursor will move into the next cell.
No, the control is moving from left to right 5 spaces, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the control. Moving or not? It is moving from one place to what? Some other place. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that. Open this. So this is my Gmail application is running, and this is my WhatsApp application running here, and this is Zoom application running here, and this is some Google application. So how many applications I opened at a time? 4 different applications.
4 applications.
Yeah. The moment I drag the mouse pointer to the plus symbol, I got the tooltip. What is the tooltip here? New tab. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I click on plus button, it takes me to some other page or not? Right now I'm in which page?
You are in Google search.
Google page. Google search page. If I click on plus, it takes me to where? Google home page. Google home page. That's or no?
Yes, sir.
So before I was in which application? Google search application. Before I was in which application?
Zoom.
Before I was into WhatsApp. Before I was into
Gmail.
Sorry, Gmail. Like that, if you click on tab, it takes me to some other page or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So tab means it connects to what is this? That is a simple meaning of tab. Clear all of you. But with respect to the Salesforce, using tab, we can what? Access something like what? A subject. What is a subject? We will discuss later. Okay? Fine. Now listen carefully and try to understand. In Salesforce, we have 2 types of what? One is
Standard tab.
Standard tabs. Second one is custom tab.
Tab. What is standard tab?
Standard tab.
You can easily tell. Given by
Salesforce.
Custom tabs means
which is given by client.
As per client.
Created by, which is created by developer. As per the
client requirement.
Client's requirement. Okay. Now let me give some examples also. What? Standard tabs. Like what?
Sales.
Campaigns.
Lead opportunity.
Counts.
Contacts.
Opportunities. These are all examples of what? Standard tabs. Custom tabs. can give any name like students, like employees. Okay, we have some doctors, patients. Okay, like courses. So all the examples of what? Custom.
Custom tab.
So next one, third one. Third one is the most important one. What is this? A subject. Before I'm going to start a subject, please let me concentrate all of you what I'm speaking here. Without using this word, a subject, as long as you are in Salesforce, as long as you are in Salesforce, as long as you are working with Salesforce in real time, without using this word, a subject, not complete your day. Understand all of you?
Okay, sir.
That much important it is.
Okay.
What is a subject, first of all? A subject stands for Salesforce object. Yes. What a subject stands for? Salesforce object. What is Salesforce object? Before that, I hope some people know about database here. Sir, no. According to database point of view, is anyone hear this name? Table?
Table, yeah.
What is table? Database point of view, what is table means?
Containing
Object.
data object.
I think Shubhashish.
Collection of row and columns, or you can say a collection of similar type of objects, similar type of information.
Who is speaking here? First of all, tell me.
Subhashish.
Shubhashish, you are working as a database administrator.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is table means.
A collection of similar type of informations.
Collection of similar type of information. Okay. And the other way around?
Collection of rows and columns.
Very
Collection of the same type of data.
good. Very good. Actually, what Shubhashish told, excuse me, guys. What Shubhashish told, that is 100% correct. What he said, table contains collection of
Rows and columns.
Collection of related information or similar information. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
Table can be defined as what? Collection of information. What is this? Collection of information stored permanently
As a database object.
in the form of rows and speak out.
Form of rows and columns.
That is the meaning of what? Table. Understand? So database point of view, we can call it as table. Salesforce point of view, we can call it as S object. So S object, database table, both are same.
Same.
S object, database table, both are same. That is why, Shubhashish, it is very easy for you to understand the subject. Okay?
Thank you.
Because you already have database knowledge. Don't worry about this. So S object, database table, both are almost same, guys. So what is S object stands for?
Salesforce object.
Salesforce object. Okay. So in Salesforce, subjects are divided into two types. One is standard S objects. Second one is what?
Custom objects.
Custom S. What is standard S objects?
Given by Salesforce.
Salesforce. And what is custom S objects?
Given by developer.
Created by developer. Yes or no?
For a specific.
As per the client requirement.
As per client requirements.
Let me give some examples. Let me give some examples. Same names I'm copied here. Okay. Tell me, everybody please focus what I'm doing here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what I'm doing here.
You're going to create a table-like thing.
No.
Headings, columns.
No, Shubhashish. What I did just now?
Similar thing.
You just removed
very good.
singular.
I just remove S here.
Uh-huh.
Okay. It means that almost
Yes, yes.
tab name, S object names both are same. Understand? The only difference between, as far as naming pointer is concerned, I'm talking. As far as name pointer is concerned, the only difference between tab and subject is tab names are always plural. Subject names are always singular. So I can say the other way around. I can say the other way around. Plural name of an subject is nothing but a tab name. Is all of you accepted my statement? Excuse me. What is this? Plural name of an subject is nothing but what? What is this?
Table name.
Tab name, not table name. Tab name. Table is different. Tab is different.
Okay, sir.
Table means a subject here. Understand? Is all of you understand this note? Is this note is right or wrong?
100%.
100%. Yes or no? So plural name of an subject is nothing but tab name. Lead is a subject name. Leads is a tab name. Account is a subject name. Accounts is a tab name. Contact is a subject name. Contacts is a tab name. Am I clear at this point?
Yes, sir. 100%.
Sometimes not sharing the your notes, sir, but also what is the problem, sir?
Sorry, I didn't get you. What are you asking?
Sometimes not connected the share notes, sir.
What is your name, ma?
What is the problem, sir?
What is your name?
Ramakrishna, sir.
Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna, మీ డౌట్ ఏంటి తెలుగులో అడగండి. తెలుగు వస్తుందా?
అంటే సార్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతలేదు సార్. నెట్ ప్రాబ్లమా లేకపోతే అందరికి అదే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది అని అడుగుతున్నా సార్.
ఏం కనెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు మీకు?
మీ షేరింగ్ నోట్స్ సార్.
నేను ఇప్పటివరకు నోట్స్ ఎవరికి షేర్ చేయలేదమ్మా ఈ 3 రోజులు బట్టి.
నోట్స్ కాదు సార్, ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ సార్.
స్క్రీన్ కనపట్లేదా
సార్?
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవ్వట్లేదా నీకు?
సార్
అరే 1 minute ప్లీజ్.
ఇప్పుడు అవుతుంది సార్.
Your screen is visible. I think he needs to rejoin this meeting.
Yeah, 1 minute. మీ పేరెంట్ రామకృష్ణనా ఏమన్నారు? మీ పేరెంట్ అన్నారు రామకృష్ణనా? The people,
Ramakrishna, sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
1 minute. The people who do not understand Telugu here, listen carefully. Some people convenience, sometimes I am speaking Telugu also for their understanding purpose. And immediately I will translate. Don't bother about that.
No.
Clear everyone?
That is
actually
not a problem.
Here there is a student, his name is Ramakrishna. He's having some screen issue problem. Okay, a screen sharing problem here. So I am going to talk. I am talking with talking with him regarding this matter. Okay.
So this is an advantage. We are also learning something, some other languages also.
Obviously.
Oh, sir, good.
Obviously, we are learning 2 things here.
Side by side speaker view. Change the view option.
You can always talk in this language.
Mr. Ramakrishna, మీరు లాగౌట్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే Ramakrishna.
He left.
Oh, he left. No problem. Then okay. Fine. Madhu, are you there in the class?
Yes.
Yeah. And Madhu's husband?
Present, sir.
What is your name? I forgot your name.
Neeraj.
Neeraj. Good. So fine. So I hope you understand Neeraj. This one,
yes,
plural name of an subject is nothing but a tab.
Yeah.
Is Janvi attended today?
Yes, sir.
Good. Why are you so silent, Janvi, today? What happened? Sunday special or what?
Sorry. No, sir. Actually, yesterday we traveled. I traveled back to my place from Houston. So I was a little sleepy. I'm so sorry.
No problem. No. I thought you were absent today.
No, sir. No, I'm not. So I have a question. How to get the recordings?
Yeah, regarding recordings, please ask to the management. Durga, sorry, Muskan, are you there in the class?
Okay.
I think nobody joined.
Yes, sir. Please ask management people to share it as soon as the class is completed, because sometimes
We
we
also
will be working.
by this thing. Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday
So,
I already told you regarding this January. Not only you and rest of all the people also. Once you complete your formalities, then only they will share the recordings.
Okay.
That is the institute rule.
Sir, I
okay.
have done with
So,
the
and
formality as well, but they are not sure yet anything
No,
with
no.
me.
After completion of everybody in the classroom.
Okay, sir.
so yeah, even I have done the formalities, but they keep saying this is demo class for me.
No, it's not like that. I'll talk with them. Okay, no issues. I'll make
Okay,
sure
sir,
that
thank
I will
you.
ensure that you will receive the recording in a couple of days. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Fine, guys. Customer subjects created with developer. Fine. Okay, now all as object names are what? Singular names. So I hope
Sir,
you understand.
yeah, sir, Ashok from this side. Sir, one question is
Just 1 minute, please.
hello. Yes, sir, can we say that tabs is a collection, means tab is a collection of yes objects, just like that? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, I think sir is on call.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So customer subjects. I hope all of you understand what is standard subject and customer subject. Next fields.
Sorry to interrupt, sir, but I just asked a question like that. Tab is a collection of yes object. Like
Sorry, come again.
Sir, can we say that the tab is a collection of yes objects?
No, that is wrong statement. No, should not use like this. Tab is not collection of yes objects. That is wrong.
Okay.
Only name point of the plural name, only name. It doesn't mean that collection of yes objects is nothing but tab name. That is wrong. Clear? Don't use that statement.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the fourth important thing here? Fields. So before I'm going to talking about fields, first let me discuss about data. Shubhashish, you are the right person to tell this answer.
Smallest part of the information.
Smallest part of information. Oh, good. Information, data, both are same.
No.
No, sir. Information means
data have been when the data has been processed with a meaningful thing, it is an information.
Very good. Excellent answer. Good. It means that information means what? Processed data. Can I say like this?
No, it should be meaningful.
Yeah, information always meaningful, but data does not give any meaning. Okay.
Oh, yes. Data doesn't itself is not a meaningful.
Yeah. I will tell you here. Listen carefully. Data means, I'm talking about layman point of view, guys. Data means whatever we entered into the computer, whatever we entered into the system, is called what? Data. Data can also be called as what?
Raw information.
Raw
Raw
facts.
facts. Yes.
Because data does not use any
Meanings. Yes.
Meaningful
That is-
information.
that does not give any meaning. That is why data can be called as what here? Raw facts. Suppose take the example. Generally, what we are entering into the system, we are entering numbers, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We are also entering what? Alphabets.
Special characters.
And also we are entering some special characters. How many numbers are there in the keyboard?
9.
10. 0 to 9. Yes or no? Total 10 characters. How many alphabets?
26.
26.
Small a to small z and capital A to capital Z also.
52.
Yeah, 52. Ampersand, star. It all comes into what? Special character.
10.
How many special characters?
I think 10.
Only 10. Only
Yes.
10.
More than 10, sir.
How many?
All the function keys are the special character as well.
Total how many? 194. This 194 characters plus 53 plus 10. Total how many?
7 or 6. 150, 256.
156 characters. These 256 characters can be called as data. Understand? Whatever we entered into the system, we are entering numbers, we are entering alphabets, we are entering what? Special character. So altogether, we are entering how many characters on the keyboard? Approximately 256. Clear?
256.
So these 256 characters can be called as data. Why data can be called as raw facts? Because data does not use any meaning.
Meaning.
See here. I'm going to write some number on the screen. 10155. Tell me what is this 10155 represents?
I think it's a number.
It's a numeric value. It's a number. Yes or no? Can I say that 10155 represents student roll number from college point of view?
Yeah, it may be.
Why not? It could be. Yes or no? It may be. Good. So can I say that 10155 represents employee ID from company point of view?
Yes, sir.
Maybe.
Could be. Or can I say that 10155 represents maybe customer bank account number?
Yes, sir.
Might be. Yes or no? But nobody knows what exactly 10155 represents. It might be what? What is this? Student roll number, or employee ID, or customer bank account number, or any maybe flight seat number. Yes or no? Seat number in the flight. Clear? It could be anything, but nobody knows what exactly 10155 represents. But 10155 represents the combination of these 10 characters. Yes or no? 10 numbers.
Yes, sir.
These 10 numbers can be called as what?
Data.
So can I say that 10155 represents data?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But from this data, did you get any proper meaning?
No,
No.
sir.
Because we are not in the position to tell what it is represents. That is why data can be called as what?
Raw facts.
Raw facts. So according to this example, according to my explanation, what you understand is data never and ever gives any
meaning.
Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm giving some name here. Vivek. What does Vivek represents?
It's an alphabetic sequence.
It's a human name. Yes
No
or no?
meaning. Yes.
It's a human name. Can I say the student name in the college?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Could be. Employee name in the company?
Yeah.
Yes.
Customer name in the bank?
Maybe.
Passenger name in the flight?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Cricketer name in the cricket squad?
Yes,
Could be
sir.
anything. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sure, sir.
But nobody knows what exactly Vivek represents. So Vivek represents is the combination of different characters All these characters are coming from these 52 characters. These 52 characters can be called as data, but from this data, it do not get any proper meaning. That is the reason data can be called as
Raw facts.
raw facts. Okay, 90,000 is there. What is this?
Maybe salary.
How we can see it is salary? It's numeric value again. Sir, no.
Yes,
It might be salary,
Might be
or it
salary.
may be maybe student paid the fees
Hmm.
for the course. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Or maybe customer bank balance in the bank. It could be anything, but nobody knows what exactly it represents. Again, it's a number. So 10155 represents data. Vivek is also represents data. 90,000 is also represents data. But from this data, you do not get any proper meaning. That is the reason data can be called as raw facts. According to this example, or according to this explanation, what you understand is data never gives what? Any meaning for us. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
On the top, I'm writing something here. Now, everybody, please. Now, everybody in the classroom, specifically tell that 10155 represents what?
Employee ID.
Employee ID.
Of course, of course. Earlier, we don't know what is this. Now you can say 10155 represents what? Employee ID.
Employee ID.
Okay. What does Vivek represents?
It's an employee name.
What does 90,000 represents?
Salary.
That employee salary.
Now, everybody in the position to tell what is 10155 represents, what is Vivek represents, what is 90,000 represents. So now I'm getting the meaning for this data. I'm getting the meaning for this data because of what? Because of the above names. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In case if I do not write the above names, in case if I do not write the above names, we do not get the proper meaning for this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because of the above names, we are getting the meaning for this data. Means, of course, above one is also a data. EAD is also a data. E-name is also data. Salary is also data. Collection of characters only. Yes or no? You got, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is also data. And the below one is also what?
Data.
It's
Data.
also data.
90,000 Vivek, 10155 is also data. EAD, E-name, salary is also data. Everything is data only.
Yes,
But
sir.
about data represents what? Your data. Or the other way around, data describes or tells about another
Another
data
data.
that can be called as
Field.
metadata.
Information.
No.
Okay, metadata.
What is this?
Metadata.
Metadata. What is metadata means? Metadata means data about data.
Tells about another data.
Yes. That is called what? Metadata. Now it is clear, all of you.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Clear, sir.
Yes.
If we combine all these 10155, Vivek 90,000, if we combine all these three values side by side, now you are getting what? Now you are getting
Meaning
details of an employee in the company. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes,
These are
sir.
the details of the employee in the company or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
These details technically called as what?
Information.
Information. So information always gives what?
Some meaningful.
Meaning.
There.
But whereas data does not give
Any meaning.
So this is the fundamental difference between what? Data and as well as information. So according to my points, what you understand is data never gives meaning, but whereas information always gives
Meaning.
Meaning.
This is the difference between data and information. Am I clear this point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now tell me a simple question I'm asking. As a trainer of Salesforce, every day I'm giving data to you or information to you?
Information.
Yes, sir.
Information regarding?
Information regarding.
Sir.
Regarding Salesforce subject, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Because I'm giving information. That is why you can understand what I'm speaking. Because we have what?
Meaningful information or meanings.
Meaning. Yes or no? So information always gives meaning. That is why you understand what I said. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Suppose if I'm giving data, you can't understand because data does not give any Meaning.
Meaning.
Clear all of you?
Yes,
So
sir.
information always gives meaning here. But how we can get the meaning? So how we can get the data? Sorry, how we can get the information? We can get the information after processing the data. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Suppose 2 into 3 is a combination of 2 numbers and 1 special characters. Can I say it is data?
Yes, sir.
No.
Data.
It's data only. 2 and 3
Data,
numbers,
yes,
10 numbers, star, special character. Everything is what? Data.
Everything is data.
Yeah, you will get how much? 6.
This is
This
the
6 represents what?
Information.
Information. So what is information? Process the data. A data process. Process this data. You will get some result. This result can be called as
Information.
the information always gives what?
Meaning.
Now everyone understand what is information, what is data and all?
Yes.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Thank you. Now coming to this point, what is this?
Fields.
Field. This EAD, e-name, salary, these names can be called as what? What is this?
Columns.
Fields. Fields, the other name can be called as column. What is this?
Column.
Column. Or we can also call it as
Row. Okay.
attribute.
Attributes.
Here all of you, field, column, attribute, everything is same. Clear? So this is fields. And how we can define the field here? We can define the field in this way. Tell me 10155, this is data value or not?
Yes, sir.
Vivek is a value. This value stores in this field. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So field we can define like this. Value or data stores against the what?
Field.
So what is this field? Value stores against the field. Or the other way around. What is this? Represents what? Field represents
data.
Field represents what? Data.
Sir, ignis means?
Sorry?
Ignis means?
Didn't get you. What is that?
Okay. Ignize. You are type in this line. Ignize, I think.
Where is ignite?
Yes. What is the meaning of the ignize?
Where is written?
Okay, okay. Can you control Z? Can you please control Z, sir? Yeah. AGINST.
So spelling wrong, man. AGAINST. Ignest.
Okay. Ignized mean?
Against. Opposite.
Opposite. Okay, okay.
Against.
Okay, sir. Against. Okay. Against.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, this is not the correct definition. Field means what? Represents?
Represent the data.
Field represents what? Data. Clear?
Okay.
What is data? What is data?
No meaningful.
Value stores against the field. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
Value stores against the field can be called as data. And what is the last and final one here? Record. What is record? 10155, Vivek 90,000. All these three values
A record.
can be called as what?
Record.
Records.
Record means
complete information.
Rows.
no,
Data?
horizontal.
Yes.
Okay. Horizontal data.
Collection of data.
Horizontal collection of data.
Can be called as what?
Records.
The other name of record is what? Row. The other name of row can be called as tuple. Is this clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So total, how many important words we discussed till now?
Six.
Six words, sir.
I hope all of you understand all the 6 words.
Yes, sir. Surely.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Next topic. What is this?
How to create an account in Salesforce.
Yeah, look at this. If you want to create an account in Salesforce, developer.force.com. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Top right side corner, we can see sign up. Here we have to enter all of your credentials. Your first name, last name. I'm giving Durga. What is this? Oh. What is this?
Training Institute.
Okay. Let me give my personal email ID. What is my personal email ID here? vijayprakash2019@gmail.com. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your role, you can give any role, either developer or architect or CTO, administrator, IT manager, could be anything, no problem.
So you have the email ID with this Vijay Prakash is with the C?
Yeah, CH. It's Cash.
Okay.
Actually, my name is, yeah, really speak, my name is not Sai On.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, yesterday you challenged one question like why the developer edition is free.
Hidden secret.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah. Did you find the answer?
No, sir, not yet, sir.
Nobody.
Actually,
sir.
I asked it to my friend, but I don't get the answer, sir.
Dheeraj?
So is it for testing, sir?
No. And somebody, somebody asking your friend, who's that guy? What is your name?
Sir, myself, Gopi, sir.
Gopi. Is your friend working in the Salesforce?
Yes, sir. He's working in Salesforce, sir.
As a developer?
Yes, sir. As a developer.
Which company?
DURGASOFT, sir. Hyderabad. DURGASOFT.
DURGASOFT.
Yes, sir.
Since how many years?
Since it's nearly around 3 years, sir.
Okay, since 3 years is working as a developer in Salesforce. You don't know why Salesforce given developer edition as free edition? Huh?
You don't know, sir. Actually, I asked it to him, but he replied that I don't know.
And what he said?
I don't know, sir. I don't know the answer, he said.
Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you. So I will tell you the reason behind this. Let me create the first account, okay?
Okay.
Company name. What is the company name?
DurgaSoft.
TS icon, short name TS, okay? Country, India.
Yeah.
Right, not Israel.
In this email ID, we will get anything that to verify.
Yes, I think activation
Yeah,
link.
I will receive some email, confirmation email from Salesforce company.
Okay.
That is why we have to give this email ID. So this email ID should be valid, guys. Don't give any invalid email IDs, okay?
Okay.
But the company names, it might exist, it may not exist, no problem. Even if it is a dummy company, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
And your postal code, you can give any zip code like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And username. See, guys, username, look at this. Name @yourcompany.com. In this format only we have to keep. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Is
But
anyone
in
working
starting,
here?
we can create anything.
No. First of all, tell me, is anyone working in real time?
Yes, I'm working.
Which company?
In teleperformance.
Teleperformance. What is your company email ID?
Rahul.singh@teleperformance.com. Teleperformancedibs.com.
Okay. Actually, I'm not the employee of your company.
Yes, sir.
Shall I get the same domain?
No, sir.
Only the people who are working in your company, only those people get same domain. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm working in TCS. The moment I join the company, my system administrator is going to provide the company email ID.
Yes,
like
sir.
prakash@ibm.com or tcs.com. Can you get the same domain? No.
No, sir.
So whoever employees are working in that particular company, only those people get the domain. Clear?
Ready. Yes, sir.
Your name @companyname.com. That is a format. Okay.
Okay.
So let me give some name. So in DURGASOFT, batch 10 even. Okay. What is it?
Batch 10@durgasoft.com.
ds.com. So as per my perception, ds.com represents what? My company name.
DurgaSoft. Yes.
And clear?
Sir, we can give anything, no? That is
No problem. No problem. You can give anything. No issues.
Yeah.
Nobody will cross-check. Okay.
Yeah.
And finally, click on what? Sign me up. Very simple to create the account, guys. The way how you create the account in Gmail, in the same way, we can easily create the account in Salesforce. Okay. It's a matter of just 2 minutes work. So I got the confirmation mail from Salesforce company. Please check your email to confirm your account. Okay. Almost there. So let me go to, let me check the inbox. Let me refresh. Takes a couple of minutes time, guys, to get the email. In the meanwhile, let me take some water. Please stay back, all of you. 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I got the mail from Salesforce company here, guys. Welcome to Salesforce. Verify your account. Click on this. Go down. So this is a username what we created just now, batch10@ds.com. Click on verify account here. Okay, here we have to set your password for batch10@ds.com. Make sure that include at least 8 characters, out of which 1 number and 1 letter. Okay. BCD 1, 2, 3, 4 and ABCD 1, 2, 3. Both are matched. In which city you're born? Born in Kovar. Change password. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, my company is also using as a Salesforce as a CRM. So our all SOP are integrated with this Salesforce software.
Oh, great. Which company? What is the company name?
Uber.
Uber, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I hope all of you understand how to create a Salesforce account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will discuss all these options later. This is a Salesforce environment. Coming back to the yesterday's point. What was yesterday's question?
Sir,
Okay, we will continue
table
tomorrow. We
addition
will continue tomorrow regarding this, how to create app, tab, SOBject and all. Yeah. So coming back to the, is all of you understand how to create an account in Salesforce now?
Yes, sir.
They are difficult. These are difficult. Mr. Dharmendra, please mute. Thank you. Yeah, guys, now tell me. Nobody's finding the answer or what? Sorry.
No, sir.
Fine. Let's take a small example. You know all about KFC, okay?
Yes, sir.
But don't think like this, guys. This guy is always take the example of KFC as example. Okay. So it is more suitable for all the
KFC or Pepsi is also, sir, for the hidden secret.
I don't know about Pepsi. Generally, I'm taking KFC. Okay, fine. Because I like KFC food. That is also another reason. Okay. Take the example. Fine. So KFC needs some. I'm going to tell a small story here. Okay. Listen to the story carefully. Okay. KFC is the company. They need some sales application. Understand? For maintaining their sales information and all. So they need some sales application. That is why they given this project to a company called TCS. TCS is a development company, isn't it? Guys, come along with me.
Yes, sir.
TCS development company. This example, TCS need to develop sales application as per the requirement of what? Client. Okay. So TCS took some time, near about 1 year time. They developed sales application. They developed sales application on force.com platform, and they deploy the application to the client and KFC using this application in their business. Of course, they ran the matter. All of you understand? Excuse me. Don't make noise.
Yes, sir.
Vikas Thakur, Subhashish Roy. Subhashish, please mute. Dheeraj, you can mute me. Okay, you can unmute, you can talk with me, Dheeraj. Okay, rest of the people, everybody, please mute. Okay. Dheeraj can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear. Yes.
Yeah. So look at this. In this example, who is TCS? Dheeraj.
Development
According to TCS point of view, who is KFC?
is a client.
Okay, TCS need to develop sales application as per the client requirement. TCS took near about 1 year time. They developed sales application as per the KFC requirement. They deploy the application and KFC using the sales application in their business. Of course, there ends the story. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, whatever application TCS developed for KFC is the sales application. Can TCS place in appexchange.com or not?
Yes. They'll place it in ApexExchange.com.
Once again, I'm repeating. Listen carefully and try to understand. Whatever application developed by Salesforce, whatever application developed by TCS, as per the client requirement KFC, is TCS can place a sales application in appexchange.com or not? What is AppExchange? It is a place.
It's a place to
application. Sorry, developers can sell the what? Application, and clients will buy the application. Yes or no?
Sell and buy.
Selling and buying is happening in where?
Apex Exchange.
Selling and buying happening at appexchange.com. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good, good. Now tell me the question. Tell me the answer.
Oh,
Is
no, then in
TCS
that case,
place the
TCS
sales
cannot.
application appexchange.com or not?
No,
Yes
they
or
cannot. Because that's no, they
No,
cannot.
no,
They
sir.
just
No,
built it
sir.
for KFC only.
No.
Actually, they give project to the
TCS,
TCS.
okay, don't extend. Not possible. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because TCS developed the sales application as per the KFC requirement. Means this particular sales application is completely confined to this.
KFC business.
1 minute, please. Hello. Hello. Who's this? Yeah. Tell me. Power BI నేర్పుతానండి నేను సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ నేర్పుతాను లేదు లేదండి నేను పవర్ BI నేర్పుతాను నాకు రాదండి నాకు ఎవరు పవర్ BI లేదని తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు కానీ ఉంటే చెప్తాను మీకు సరేనా థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫైన్ అదే So TCS is not supposed to place the sales application in appexchange.com. Why? Because TCS developed the sales application. It is purely meant for whom? KFC.
As per the KFC business.
As per the KFC business requirement. Clear all of you? So sales application, whatever they developed, this particular sales application is completely confined to KFC company. Yes or no? That is why TCS not supposed to place sales application appexchange.com. In case if TCS places sales application appexchange.com, the competitors of KFC, who are the competitors of KFC in the market? Like McDonald's or no?
Yes, sir.
Or Papa John's. Okay.
Okay.
Or we have something like Domino's Pizza. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So these are the competitors of KFC, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then automatically if these people are can open this appexchange.com and they can see the application
And they will buy.
Developed as per the KFC requirement, they can come across to know that the sales strategy of client KFC company or not. Yes or no? Speak
Yes,
out.
sir. Yes, sir.
That is why TCS is not supposed to place the sales application
In
in where?
appexchange.com.
Appexchange.com, and client is not supposed to accept. Clear all of you? Client never accept. So this kind of applications can be called as this kind of products can be called as private products. What is this?
Private products.
Private products. According to my example, according to my explanation, what you understand is
That's why
private,
companies to buy.
Arre Baba, no need to talk with me. Just listen. Private products is not supposed to place in where? Speak out.
Appexchange.com.
That is okay, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let us assume I'm a freelancer. I already told you yesterday. I'm a freelancer here. I know Salesforce. Okay. On force.com platform. Suppose I develop HR application.
HR application.
Application. Generally, every company have HR department. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I know HR company activities and all. That is why, based on that activities, I created some HR application. Of course, I can say it is generic application. It is not confined to any particular company. Understand?
Okay.
Here. Now tell me, shall I place this application in appexchange.com?
No, sir.
Why?
Yes, we can. It could be a customizable product.
No problem.
So we
No
can
problem.
place there.
I can place because it's not confined to any particular company.
Okay, 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 okay. Sir.
Above scenario is different. TCS downloaded the sales application is only meant for KFC. But as a freelancer, I downloaded this HR application is not meant for any company here. Yes or no?
Understood.
That is why I can place this application where?
ApexChange.com.
So this kind of products can be called as what?
Public product.
Unlicensed.
So according to this point, what you understand is private products should not place in AppExchange.com, whereas public products we can place in
AppExchange.com.
Now it is clear, everything?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good.
So, sir, what
Okay.
is the use of this public product then?
Public product means it is not confined to any particular company. It's a generic application so that everybody can use it.
Okay.
Point clear. Suppose I download HR application. It's a generic application so that I can place this application appexchange.com. Suppose there is a client Mr. X. There is a client Mr. X. He opened the appexchange.com. He saw this application, HR application. He opened the application and he feels that that application is suitable for his business. And he approached me because I am the owner of this application. He approached me and he requested me, I want to use this application and tell me what is the price and all. Then I given some 30 days trial period. Okay. Free trial period, and he is using the application. He feels that this application is more suitable for his business. Then he approached me and I will sell this application to this person. So here X is the client. He is going to buy the application from my side. And I sell the application because I'm a developer. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
So from X, I'm getting some what? I'm getting some
Revenue.
because I sold this product to this person. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So here X got what? Here X got HR application, and as a developer, I got what?
Some revenue or royalty.
Some amount, some revenue. That's okay.
Yes, sir.
There ends the story. But in this particular context, how Salesforce company can get benefit? That is a point I'm going to discuss. I'm getting the revenue.
Yes. They will get royalty.
Arey Baba, let me complete. I'm getting the revenue. Client getting what? Application. So we both are happy. Yes or no? But in this particular scenario or in this particular context, how Salesforce getting the revenue? How Salesforce company get the benefit? That is a point I'm going to discuss. Simple point, guys. This is the application I developed. Yes or no? As a developer. And I place this application where? AppExchange.com. Yes or no? It means that if I place this application AppExchange.com, is my application will occupy some space in AppExchange.com or not?
Yes,
sir.
Obviously, it occupies some space. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But this space belongs to which company?
Salesforce.
Because AppExchange.com is given by Salesforce only. In AppExchange.com, I'm using some space. This space belongs to whom? Salesforce company. So as a developer, if I want to place this HR application in this AppExchange.com, I need to pay the rent to Salesforce company or not? Because I'm using their space. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Decode. In that way, Salesforce company getting what?
Revenue.
I'm getting the revenue from X person.
Yeah.
Clear, all of you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Salesforce company getting the revenue from?
Developer.
Developer. Why? Why developer need to pay the amount to Salesforce company? Because the developer is going to use
Taking some
space. This space belongs to
Salesforce.
vendor company Salesforce. Because as a developer, I'm placing this HR application in that space. For this space, I have to pay the rent to whom here? Salesforce company. In this, that is the reason. But how we can develop the public products? How we can develop the public products? Because I'm a freelancer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I'm using what?
Developer ID.
Edition. On this developer edition, I developed what? HR application. Of course, it is free for me. It is free for me. I download this application, HR application, where I'm placing in appexchange.com. That is why I'm using some space. That is the reason I have to pay the rent to whom here? Salesforce company. In that way, Salesforce company getting the revenue from the developer. That is the reason Salesforce company giving what? Developer edition as a free edition. There are so many freelancers in the world. So many freelancers. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now all of you understand the reason behind this?
Yes, yes.
Very simple point, guys. Very simple point. Listen carefully. I hope all of you know about lifestyle shopping mall. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You got guys? Lifestyle shopping mall. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I used to go to lifestyle shopping mall, Begumpet, Hyderabad. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, the moment you enter into lifestyle shopping mall, there you can get a lot of brands. Yes or no?
Yes,
Various
sir.
brands. Like, what do you
Like
call? Like Levi's.
Yes.
Okay, Pepe jeans. Okay,
Wrangler.
Being Human. Okay, RIG. Okay, like Blackberries. Okay, Indian Terrain. Okay, Kappa. Okay, so Nike. So many Reebok. So many brands you can see. Clear all of you? Speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, all these company brands are manufactured by lifestyle building owner?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Lifestyle building
Only
constructed by some ex-person. Yes or no?
Is a place.
Lifestyle building constructed by some ex-person.
Yes.
In this building, all these companies products they are placing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Suppose I belongs to Levi's company. I'm going to place my products in this lifestyle place, in this lifestyle building. If I'm placing my products in the lifestyle building, is my product is going to occupy some space or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So, but this space belongs to whom?
Lifestyle.
The lifestyle building company owner. Yes or no? For this
sir.
space, I need to pay the rent to him or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In this way, lifestyle company getting what? Business.
Revenue.
So in the form of what? In the form of rents. Clear all of you?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Same way, here also, your lifestyle is nothing but your what? Your appexchange.com.
Appexchange.com.
Okay, I belongs to one company. I'm placing my application. I'm placing my product in where? In appexchange.com. Some ex-person seeing my application. He likes the application. I will sell the application. He will buy the application. I'm getting the revenue. That's okay. But if I'm placing some application in the appexchange.com, obviously my application is going to occupy some space. For that space, I have to pay the rent to the company or not. Which company? Vendor company. In this example, who is the vendor company? Salesforce company. In that way, Salesforce company getting the revenue. That is the reason Salesforce company giving what? Developer edition. Is all of you understand the secret behind this?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
So this much of story is there behind there. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gopi,
Yes, sir.
tell the same result to your friend, okay?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
So I have a question.
Yeah, one by one.
This AppAction.com belongs to which company, sir?
Salesforce.
Oh, okay, sir.
So
Salesforce partners yesterday we discussed.
Yes, yes.
Salesforce partners.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, Janvi.
sir, can you show me the Salesforce partners? I mean,
I have back-to-back sessions evening 6 o'clock onwards without gap. 4 hours continuously I'm speaking.
oh, okay. No, sir. It's the only thing is
1 minute, 1 minute. I'll show you. Yeah, what's your doubt?
the doubt is this that since developer edition is free, right? So when, for example, if I'm developing an HR application, independent of me being binded to Salesforce or anything, I just want to submit my application in App Exchange. If developer edition is free, then how do I pay the when do I pay the space rent or anything?
The moment you are placing your application to appexchange.com, okay, you will get the option. You have to take first license.
Okay.
You have to pay some amount to take the space from them. Just like suppose you created a website.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to upload your website now. For that, you have to take some space in the space for rent in the internet.
Okay.
So that is
So
called
only
web
when it is
hosting.
ready.
That is called web hosting. That is called what? Web hosting.
Web hosting.
Web hosting, you have to pay some rent yearly, quarterly, half yearly, like this. Like this here also.
Okay.
Here also, we have to take rent for have to take some space for rent. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Before installing,
so while developing,
before placing the application appexchange.com.
Okay. So sir, while developing, we don't have to pay anything, but once it is done, we have when we want to host, we have to.
Obviously.
Okay. Yeah, that
Anyway,
was the doubt.
you have to place your application appexchange.com. Otherwise, how can you sell?
Correct. Yeah.
Sir, without I posted my application on apex.com, I can sell this.
If you have any personal contact with the client, you can sell, no problem.
Okay, then don't pay to the Salesforce.
You don't need to pay anything.
Okay.
But sir, we need
But as
some
a developer, how many clients do you know?
to run the
Very few.
application.
Yes.
Because
sir.
it's not a public place. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know Udemy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Online learning platform.
Udemy classes. Suppose I am the Salesforce trainer. What suppose I'm Salesforce trainer only? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I recording my sessions, all sessions from beginning to end. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Tell me, if I'm going to place my sessions in the Udemy site, okay.
Okay.
So they will do marketing on behalf of me, my sessions.
Yes, sir.
And how much revenue I'm getting? 40% revenue I have to pay to Udemy again. Understand?
Okay.
That is the rule. Only 60% revenue I'll get out of 100%. 40% they have to pay to whom here Udemy company. Because on behalf of me, they are doing business. On behalf of me, they are doing my marketing. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. I want to place in Udemy. I want to send my recordings to personally. That is okay. No issues. What is in that? You have so many contacts. You have so many students contacts with me so that I can sell if they need.
Okay, sir.
But sir, application is also taking some space now, so we need to buy some cloud storage.
Obviously, that is cloud storage only. Space means. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, guys. I hope all of you understand the reason behind this.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I'll catch you tomorrow,
Thanks.
same time or not same time, guys. Sorry, excuse me.
Sir, your number, sir, please.
Yeah. I'll share the number 1 minute. And tomorrow you have the session 1 hour before. That is 7 to 9 p.m. 2 hours class tomorrow, like today.
So is it for tomorrow or for continuous?
Only tomorrow. Day after tomorrow,
Only
I'm not
tomorrow.
taking it.
I know it's late. Can I ask one question?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, you are saying something regarding the internship.
I'm not saying anything regarding internship.
No, I am asking some question. We need to done the internship or we can directly join the company?
That depends on your confidence levels.
Okay, it's depend
How
on
can
my.
I say? After completion of the course, your confidence is good, then you can attend the interview, crack the job.
Your number.
Thanks, sir.
Sir, your number.
Arey Baba. See, don't call me, please text me, okay? And tell me your name, okay? Along with what? Last time. Otherwise, there are so many batches in my mobile. So I will confuse.
So before we go, can I ask you a general question?
Why not?
So does DurgaSoft training center, do they have any placements? They do any placements?
That information I don't know. You have to ask to the management.
Okay, okay.
Generally, I do not involve in those matters.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Just last small question, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I am, sir, big confusing in data science and Salesforce because I am from mechanical background and I want to.
Don't go for data science.
Okay. And any job for Salesforce, how much package they provide me with pressure or experience?
How much package you're expecting?
As much as possible.
It is possible, man. They have to give based on your skill.
Depends on your experience, your skills.
Your skill set, your experience.
My dear, first learn it.
Yes.
You are talking about salary.
Yeah, because sir, I am shifting from mechanical to IT. That's why only for
So
salary,
what? Definitely, you'll get more salary than mechanical branch or mechanical side because it is software field. It is more rich field among all fields. Yes or no?
Yes.
So definitely, you'll get more salary than mechanical side.
Yes, but how much? Because I'm
salary mechanical side, 50,000 is more than enough.
Sir, within 1 year, my friends get 8 lakh package in Salesforce, and
That's what I'm saying here. See, if we have 3+ years experience, you can get at least 15-20 lakhs per annum.
Okay. With
That
3
much of
years
huge demand is there. Especially I'm talking about
15
LWC.
lakh or 20 lakh.
The person who know about LWC, at least 50% knowledge in LWC, okay, it's a hot cake in the market. You'll get a huge package.
The LWC?
What is that?
What is the full form of the LWC?
Lightning Web Components.
Okay.
And there is another concept is there, CPQ. CPQ stands for configure, price, and quote. What is this?
Configure,
Price and quote.
So is this part of Salesforce?
It's a part of Salesforce. It's not covering the development part and admin part. It's a separate thing. You want to teach how to take servers. We have to take the rent.
It's a different product, sir. Like CRM, it's a different product.
It's a different product. CPQ.
So DurgaSoft is also providing some training regarding.
So you are not going to tell, you are not going to teach LWC in this path.
Yeah, LWC is not covering. How could we cover?
Okay.
For 5,000 rupees.
Sir, DurgaSoft is also providing training regarding to these two in other courses, LWC or CPQ.
LWC, if you want, I will start the separate batch for this. LWC is not going to include in your batch.
Okay. No, we can.
Is it okay if I ask you what constitutes LWC? What concepts are there?
Okay. See, it is going to extend like anything your topic. The point is, before you understand LWC, first of all, you have to understand the drawbacks of MVC.
Okay.
Without understanding the drawbacks of MVC, you can't understand what Lightning. Technically, what is the difference between MVC and Lightning is MVC follows
model.
MVC follows how I can say technically it's you cannot understand at this particular point of time. You're unless asking the questions.
Okay.
Sir, one last question.
And LWC follows, Lightning follows single page application, SPA. What is single page application? What are the drawbacks of MVC? At this particular point of time, I don't want to confuse you.
Yeah,
it's
sure. No.
Difference.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
The
No
Lightning
problem,
purely follows what? A single page application. What is single page application? Everything we will discuss at the name of Lightning concept. Understand?
Yeah, correct.
Don't bother about this.
So anyways, even if we get a job in Salesforce, I think we can think about all the LWC, CPQ only when we really understand the whole scenario,
It's not like that. Even if you do not have the knowledge in LWC, also you get the job. No issues. Understand? But if you have the LWC knowledge, you'll get more salary, more package. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So, sir, after completing this course, then we can go for this LWC, right?
Then okay. That is up to you.
Yeah, but we can't go this because we're not understand.
See, actually, there is a process to learn the subject. Okay, step-by-step process. Okay, you cannot directly go for LWC without knowing Mvc architecture. Okay, without knowing what do you call this one? Okay, visual force and all. You can't understand lighting directly. So there is a process to learn the subject step by step. First, you have to understand visual force. Okay, then you have to understand lightning aura component.
Sir, can I leave the class now, sir?
Sorry?
Can I leave the class now, sir?
Why not? You can leave, no issues.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good night.
Yeah, good night. So there is a process here. Okay, guys, I'll catch you tomorrow, same.
Okay, thank you.
7 o'clock, 7 to 9. 2 hours again, session, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Sir, good night.
Don't miss the class. Tomorrow I'm going to start the navigation part. How
I'm
to
just
create.
worried about my invites, sir. That's all.
You are?
I'm just, if I don't get invites, then I'm a little worried I might miss the class.
So same link
But
only. Link won't change.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You can directly log in 1 hour before. That's it. As
Yes,
per
sir.
IST.
Okay. Yes.
But don't miss the class tomorrow, January. Very important.
Those.
Tomorrow
Yes,
we
sir.
are going to
Little,
discuss about the navigation steps and all.
Okay, awesome. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So I hope all of you enjoyed the session today.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, bye-bye.
Good night. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.